Good morning, inmates.
I hear from people that are younger than me in the truck.
Wake and bake. I'm going to put another layer on the ceiling. But we're going to finish the coffee and get baked first. Yummy. Doesn't get you high, but it sure tastes like peach. I'm sure this will get me high. Man, I wish I had some sunlight though. I wish I had some sunlight. The first layer dried pretty good. I have a video of it, but it got copywritten. Can you see? That's the first layer of mud. And we just do in a second. It's pretty easy. Should be done like 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Oh shit, that'll wake you up. Shit. Woo! A little Cheeto to wake you up. All right. I'm almost ready. Let's see what we got here.